When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Stable आपको पता है ना, जहाँ पे हॉर्सेस को रखा जाता है, हॉर्सेस का हमको बोलते हैं स्टेबल. हॉल्टर कहते हैं या स्ट्रैप या फिर लूप जो कि प्लेस किया जाता है अराउंड दी हेड और हॉर्स ऑफ अदर एनिमल. ठीक है, यूज फॉर लीडिंग इट और टेजरिंग इट. तो यहाँ पे ग्रैंड मदर को जो है पता चल जाता है फाइनली कि टोटो जो है उनके घर में रहते हैं. फाइनली केम टू नो ऑफ टोटो प्रेजेंट इन द हाउस. शी अलॉटेड हिम स्पेस इन द स्टेबल अलॉन्ग विद द फैमिली ऑफ डंकी नाना. On the first night in the stable, grandfather visited Toto and he found Toto restless, pulling its rope in order to stay away from the heap of hay. So when grandfather hit Nana on the back in order to stop it, so Nana jumped back with a jerk and Toto was dragged along with her. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. So in winter season, Toto enjoyed having a warm bath. He would pretend to be selfish and before starting his bath, he would check the temperature of the water also. And he would copy the writer and step into the tub. He used to copy, okay, 1 foot at a time. Finally, he would sit in the water and space out of it. Then he would rub himself with soap. When the water became cold, he would run out of the stove and in the kitchen in order to dry himself. Toto got annoyed if he was laughed upon, okay, and he would get hurt and then refuse to take bath. The writer collects an incident here when Toto had almost boiled himself. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. So in a large kettle, water was boiling on the stove. Okay, stove तो पता होगा ना सबको stove क्या होता है. So in that water was boiling and Toto climbed up to the stove and removed the lid from it. ओके वो बहुत मिस्चीफ था, बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्चीवियस हरकतें भी करता था. एंड ही फेल्ट दैट द वाटर वॉज वार्म इनफ फॉर हिम टू टेक अ बाथ. So he entered the kettle with his head out of it. When the water started boiling, it became hot for Toto. He thought coming out of the kettle, but as the temperature outside was cold for him, he stayed in it. Toto kept on jumping in the kettle for a while, and it was when the writer grandmother arrived that she took the half-boiled monkey out of the kettle. So this much mischievous things he just tried to do. If there is a part of the brain specially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to hold off her dress and tear a hole in it. So if there is a part in our brain that governs our ability to create mischief, then the part is Toto brain was highly developed. ठीक है, मतलब हर अगर कोई भी मिस्चीवियस हरकतें किसी के दिमाग में एंटर होती थी, हाईली वो टोटो का ही दिमाग होता था. ठीक है, इन चीज़ों को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए, इन चीज़ों को डेवलप करने के लिए. एंड ही हैड अ ग्रेट कैपेसिटी टू डू मिस्चीफ. Okay, and he was always busy doing mischief. Whenever the writer aunt passed him, he tried to tear their dresses also. One day, at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room of find Toto stuffing himself with rice. My grandmother screamed, and Toto threw a plate at her. One of my aunt rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. What happened when the writer collect another incident? Okay, and now again what, एक incident तो वो boiling water वाला हो गया. ठीक है, अब दूसरा क्या हुआ? टोटो था तो बहुत शैतान. उसने क्या किया? एट लंच टाइम अ डिश ऑफ राइस वॉज प्लेस्ड ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल. ठीक है, व्हेन द फैमिली रीच टू ईट, दे फाउंड टोटो ईटिंग इट. सो द ग्रेटर ग्रैंड मदर स्क्रीम्ड एट टोटो एंड इन रिस्पॉन्स उसने क्या किया? उसने वही राइस की प्लेट जो थी उनके ऊपर फेंक दी. ही थ्रू अ प्लेट एट हर. व्हेन द आंट ट्राइड टू कैच टोटो, ही थ्रू अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर इन देयर फेस. ठीक है, सॉरी, ऑन द फेस. जब उन्होंने उनको पकड़ने की कोशिश की टोटो को, तो फिर टोटो ने क्या किया? उनके ऊपर पानी का ग्लास भी फेंका. When the grandfather arrived, Toto left the place through a window with the dish of rice along with him. So Toto remained out the entire afternoon. So पूरी afternoon जो था Toto जो है बाहर रहे, and he sat on a branch of the jackfruit tree, ठीक है, determined to eat all the rice. As the grandmother screamed on him, he wanted to annoy her further, and so after eating the rice, he threw the dish. ओके जब उन्होंने खा ली तो उन्होंने जो है उस डिश को, जब ग्रैंडमदर ने मतलब स्क्रीम किया, चीखा उनके ऊपर, तो उन्होंने जब पूरा कम्प्लीटली राइस खा लिए तो फिर उन्होंने उस डिश को जो है फेंक दिया वहीं से, और वो जो है सेवरल पीसेस में टूट गई. इट ब्रोक इनटू सेवरल पीसेस, 100 pieces या several pieces. Okay. Obviously, Toto was not a sort of pet we could keep for long. Even grandfather realized that we were not well-to-do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpapers. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sent Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. So finally, उसकी हरकतें इतनी ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक थी, मीन्स बहुत शैतान था, तो उन्होंने क्या करा, ग्रैंडफादर को ये रियलाइज़ हो गया कि टोटो अब घर में रखने के लायक ही नहीं है. ही वॉज नॉट सुटेबल टू कीप एट होम. सो दे कुड नॉट अफोर्ड दी, वो इतने लॉसेस जो हैं, इतने लॉसेस बेयर नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है, वो इतने लॉसेस अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. मतलब हर बार इतनी जल्दी जल्दी कोई ना कोई नुकसान वो कर दिया करता था. तो दे आर सेइंग वी कुडंट अफोर्ड द फ्रीक्वेंट लॉसेस, सो दैट ही गेव टू देम. ठीक है, he tore clothes, he tore curtains, wallpapers, he broke dishes, ठीक है, these types of things he used to do. So the grandfather sold Toto back to the same Tonga driver for a sum of 3 rupees. ठीक है, वो सेम उस टोंगा ड्राइवर को उन्होंने वापस कर दिया जिससे उन्होंने टोटो को लिया था. ओके.